what is the expected value of this game? So we're spinning a spinner. It can land on a $12 spot or an $11 spot or a $10 spot or a $9 spot, and they want expected value. Well, from the notes, let me grab the notes here. Expected value, is it there? Yeah, there it is. Expected value. How do you figure out expected value? You take the probability times the money, plus probability times the money, plus probability times money. Multiply each probability by each value and add them up. So the probability for each of these is 1/4, isn't it? Because they're each 1/4 of the whole area. So we're just going to take, so we're just going to take 1/4 times the $11, right here. You can, order doesn't matter, you can start anywhere you want, plus 1/4 times the $10, plus 1/4 times the $9. Oops, wasn't made so nice there. Plus 1/4 times the $12. So again, expected value is just probability times the money. Probability times money, probability times money, probability times money. Add them all up. And how do I know the probability is 1/4? Because you're just spinning a spinner, and there's a 1/4 chance of landing in each of those 4 sections. So we get 10.50. So the expected value is $10.50, or just 10.5 is fine. You don't need the 0 at the end. That's the amount of money you expect to get on average. Now, are the outcomes equally likely? Yes, meaning this, and this all have the exact same chance of happening. Is that making sense? They all have the exact same chance of happening. And so we would say, yes, they are equally likely. And then down here, if you run this game and charged $11.40 for people to play, would it be considered a fair game? Is it a fair game? And the answer would be no, it's not a fair game. Why? Because the expected value is not equal to the cost. Right? If you charged $11.40, you have to say, hey, you can spin this spinner here, and you can win $11 or 10 or 9 or 12. I'm going to charge you $11.40 every time you spin the spinner. That's not a fair game because they only expect to win $10.50 on average. You're charging them more. That's what the casinos do. They charge you more than you expect to win. And so, no, it's not a fair game. The expected value does not equal the cost. So it's not a fair game. There we go.